Indian troops have escalated their crackdown in occupied Kashmir, arresting dozens of the youth and summoning many more to the police stations and the military camps under the pretext of the security measures ahead of the India's Independence Day on August 15. The arrest and the summoning were carried out during a series of the cordon and search operations, house raids and vehicle checks. All parties, Hurriyat Conference and other pro-freedom organizations in occupied Kashmir are marking the 16th martyrdom anniversary of the Shaheed-e-Azimat Sheikh Abdul Aziz, who was martyred on August 11, 2008 while leading a march to the Azad Kashmir against an economic blockade of the Kashmir Valley imposed by the Hindutva extremists. The APHC has announced special prayer meetings on Sunday to honor his legacy. Detained JKLF chairman Muhammad Yasin Malik today informed the Delhi High Court that he will represent himself in the appeal filed by the notorious National Investigation Agency seeking the death penalty for him in a fake case. Malik, appearing via the video conference from the Tihar jail, expressed his desire to defend himself, challenging the court's previous decision to deny him a physical appearance during the hearings. Introduction of the Waqf Amendment Bill by the Modi government in the Lok Sabha sparked intense debate by the opposition parties including the Congress, Samajwadi Party, All India, Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin and others, condemning the bill as the anti-Muslim and unconstitutional.